Chef D here. Grilled pork chops with a chimichurri sauce. We're going to get started with finely chopping up 1 handful of parsley, 1 clove of garlic. Press 1 clove of garlic through a garlic press or chop up real finely. In a bowl, place a 1/4 cup of olive oil, extra virgin, your garlic, and your parsley. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and again, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Stir well and set aside. In a preheated fry pan, place 1 or 2 Nutrafarms bone-in pork chops, season salt and pepper, and then we're going to grill them about between 2 to 4 minutes on either side. Depends on your desired doneness, and remember, pork 150 is absolutely perfect temperature for it. We're going to turn it over, and then we're going to brush one side with some garlic butter. Continue searing the pork for about another 2 minutes, again until you get your desired temperature. 150 is a perfect temperature. We're going to take them out of the pan, and we're going to place them back on the board, and we're going to slice it into the desired thickness that you like. Something a little bit thinner so that you can dip the chimichurri sauce in, or you can actually place the chimichurri sauce all over your pork. For this recipe and more, go to Nutrafarms.ca.